xin chào các bạn. Good morning to Europe, good morning to around the world who are interested in yoga. Today I'm going for a yoga festival 2019, Ariel Dance. I was here in Krabi, last year, and I really enjoyed, and that's why I'm here again. How it is, there are so many classes, so much entertainment, so many nice people. So okay, ready? Let's go. Hello, hello.
Feet close to your body again, your chest.
Yes. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. 好，可以的话，抱住你的脚，慢慢的向后躺下去。
Slowly, gently lie down.
要往前。
And the hips.
How long did it take you to do the split? How many years, weeks, days?
The monkey
practice.
pose.
Yeah, the split.
Okay. No, 30 hours. But it takes to
In
him
total.
about
In
divided
total.
into totally into 2 years.
吴老师帅不帅？
But I love the Zumba teacher,
Zumba
Caro,
Caro.
because she reminded me how much I miss dancing, because I'm not very good at yoga, but I'm okay at dancing.
Why Chilean people have such a warm heart? Tell me why you Chilean Brazil like such an open, energetic, and not like a touch, everything. I love it. Tell me why.
I think we just love to express. Words are not enough for us, I feel. And personally, I can say from my side, I just need that kind of like way of expressing dance feelings. Even when I dance a song that I don't understand, I still sing and I still act like I understand, if it makes sense. So that's why I love Zumba, because the music moves so many different tones.
And you come to me on a summer bliss. Give me warm, give me love that is softly. And me you need, you show how deep is your love, your love.
Exhale, hands down. Right foot back.
Challenge yourself on the ball, right?
Challenge.
He was like, no, you have to try, challenge.
And then one thing I tell you, if you guys like headstand and a thumb, it's heaven. Is that right? Do you agree?
Yes, I
It's heaven, man. It's bliss, man.
So if you have a problem on the ground, instead go on the sub. It was very focusing, like how you said, to focus on your
Yes, in the belly. Three fingers below the navel.
If I focused there, I had
Yeah.
more power.
Exactly.
I have never learned it before.
Yeah. No, never.
Nobody.
Odaka.
Odaka. What's Odaka?
Oh, Odaka is a mix, a blend of martial art. My background comes from martial art. When I was 7 years old,
Okay.
I spent all my life in martial art, and then yoga, of course, and then two big love, yoga and martial art becomes one love. Becomes Odaka.
Odaka. It's
Yeah.
very peaceful. It's
Very peaceful and powerful.
So the thing is, I want to also show the men that they can do yoga. You know, it's
Yeah.
also inspiring because
Oh, great.
so men who get powerful and more peaceful.
I'm so glad to hear that.
Another day of yoga. In the morning, I need to get a shake because they are the best here in Thailand. Right? Good shake. Good shake. Yes. Yeah, she said yes. So my body is sore after 5 classes yesterday. Evening I was like a hero, but now you feel it. Your body saying, "No, look at me. You cannot." In your mind. Yes. So let's go for another day. Let's go.
Singing my Ariel is the exercise for people who just want to exercise a little adventurous and challenging up in the air for 360 degrees. So it's challenge your muscle, challenge your grip, and encourage people to want to do the exercise. It's the other type of the yoga. I'm not saying that the yoga is boring. Yoga is good, but this is another option for you to find out how beautiful you are.
So if you are doing yoga for a long time and you want to change?
I don't want to change.
Chakras are aligned along our central nervous system, along our spine, and they're places that need to have energy flowing in a balanced way. If not, we can see the imbalance through our emotions or through physical manifestations, whether it's like a sore knee or maybe a cough, or maybe you just feel tightness in the chest, you know, things like that. So
It's real. It's real. Not
it's real, yes. Western medicine has discovered that along those same points in our spine are nerve clusters, and there's 7 nerve clusters. And these nerve clusters gather together here in the spine, but the nerves attach out. Like the ones in our heart attaches out to our arms and to up to our shoulders a bit, and then down here where all our diaphragms, our capacity for respiratory health lies around there. So Ayurveda has always known that if your heart chakra is not in balance, then you have a hard time taking full deep breaths, but also feeling complete love for your life in every situation.
My best moment is when I teach on the beach here. This is my first time.
I love the festival. There's lots of good people.
Good people.
Beautiful and graceful guideline. Allows me to know how I can express myself without judging myself also.
Of course, I come many times, and every time I hope I can come every time.
And the class is very variety and shopping. Yay!
Did you enjoy Yoga Festival?
Yes, very much.
So that's all what you can see this year in Krabi 2019. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you learned something. One more hope that you will come here, or maybe you start doing yoga when you are a beginner or something. So now it's time for me to enjoy your breakfast and see you for another video. Write any comments, whatever. Ciao!